Good evening. Good evening to all of you. I would like to welcome all of you in this press conference. Honorable CM and Vice Chairman Mr. Subhash Phaldesai is here with us. So I would request Honorable CM to start the press briefing.
Good evening, friends. First of all, sorry for late. For the 51st International Film Festival of India, Goa, along with me, our Vice Chairman of the ESG, Mr. Subhash Phaldesai, and CEO for the ESG, Mr. Amit Sateja, and all my media friends. The festival will be conducted in the hybrid format, where there will be movies screened in the auditorium and some of the sections are curated for the online platform. The chief guest for the festival, the Sudeep Sanjeev, better known as the Sudeep, is a film actor, director, producer, screenwriter, television presenter, and a singer who primarily works in Kannada language films, in addition to this appearance in the Telugu, Hindi, and Tamil language films. The Lifetime Achievement Award winners is an Italian cinematographer. It is an vicarial Storio be honored with a prestigious Lifetime Achievement Award. Honorable Minister for the Information and Broadcasting, Mr. Prakash Javadekar, will be the chief guest, another chief guest for the inaugural function. The focus country for this year is in Bangladesh. The festival will be celebrated the 100-year legendary film icon, the Bharat Ratna late Sri Satyajit Ray. The festival venue for the physical screening will be the 4 auditorium in ESG Multiplex and 2 auditorium in Magnus Palace ESG Complex and 1 auditorium in Kala Academy. As you all of you know, the inaugural function in Shama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium. The total seating capacity available for the following all the pandemic norms, which will be the 920. All the pandemic protocols will be followed according to the MHA guideline. The festival is going to E this year, and with the e-ticketing, e-festival catalogs, e-scheduled, and e-peacock for the daily festival daily. Total 60 countries have participated. There will be close to around 119 screenings will be happen in a physical format, out of which the 85 are premiere movies that includes the international and national movies. The festival will be also witness the world premiere Mehrum Nisa. The registration for the physical and virtual platform is separately and the charges as according to the applicable. Both the platform fees for the students and media for the corresponding, both the platforms having the different section of the movies. The details regarding, I'll focus only on the opening movie will be the Another Round, and the closing movie which will be the Wife of Spy. I think the detail regarding the further details, our CEO ESG, Mr. Amit Sateja, will give you the details about the further for the film festivals. I'll ask the Amit Sateja.
Thank you, sir. Regarding different formats, as you are aware, there are online format and the physical formats. In physical screening, following sections, many of them have already been announced. Like Indian Panorama is going to be there, which is going to be opened with Sand Ki Aag. Then international competition section is there. Homage, retrospective, tribute to 100 years of Satyajit Ray, the legendary filmmaker. Midfest section. Special section of Goa. There are 2 short films which have been selected under that. Shinwar and Written in the Corners. And in addition to that, country focus section in which Bangladesh is there. The debut director section is there. Festival Kaleidoscope section is there. World Panorama is there. ICFT UNESCO Gandhi Medal section is there. Father of Indian Cinema, 150th birth anniversary of Dr. Shri Dadasaheb Phalke's section is there. And Lifetime Achievement Award section is there. The details we'll be sharing in the press release also. I would like to share some detail about the OTT platform because there are a lot of queries coming for that. There are 2 different registrations happening. one for the physical section and separate for the OTT platform. So I would request individuals who are interested in watching physical section as well as OTT platform section, they will have to register for both separately. There are separate charges for that. For physical section, it is 1,000 rupees plus GST, and for OTT, it is 500 rupees plus GST. Now, in OTT, the person gets to watch master classes and in conversation session, retrospective sections, homage for Indian panorama section, Indian cinema journey, and some of the other items are there in which the person gets free access to. In addition, the person also gets free access to watch opening and closing ceremony also, and he gets access to the e-catalog of the festival. The details are available on the website. There are a lot of people sending messages on social media or calling on the helpline number. All the details are available on the ifigoa.org and our social media handles also. And the registration process has already started. Roughly around 2,500 people have registered, out of which 1,456 have already confirmed. So these are details. In addition, I would like to highlight on the COVID-19 protocol. Since due to pandemic, we had to reduce the number of screenings. Last year we had, as you all are aware, we had open air screenings also. This year we are not having any additional activity which we used to have outside the festival venues, like on the promenade or some other activities we used to invite or gather a lot of crowds. So this time, though we are having physical screening, as per the MHA guidelines, we are maintaining all the COVID-19 protocols. Like for example, without mask entry would not be there, frequent sanitization would be there. We had requested Directorate of Film Festival to stagger the timings of the shows. That has been done, and the gap between two shows has also been increased so that the theatres can be sanitized properly. The number of seating has also been reduced to 920, keeping in mind the COVID-19 protocols. So these are the details from our side. We'll be circulating a press release also, and I think in case any other query is there, then you can ask the Honorable CM.
Okay.
Due to COVID-19 protocol and due to shooting which has resumed recently, many of them are actually giving their digital presence here, which you'll be seeing in the opening ceremony and the closing ceremony. So confirmations are yet coming. So DFF director will be in a briefing on that.
Thank you.